Hey, this is Flo, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add an app delegate to your SwiftUI based app. You probably need this if you want to configure an SDK like purchases from RevenueCat or like the Firebase mobile SDK. Then you usually have a section in the documentation where it says that you need to configure the SDK inside of your app delegate application did finish launching function, for example. Now, SwiftUI by itself does not have an app delegate, but it's actually really easy to add one. Let me just show you how it works. So first of all, we're going to create our own new class, and let's just call it AppDelegate. And we need to conform to the UI application delegate protocol. Now, to conform to this protocol, we also need to conform to NSObject. Okay. Now we can actually register our application delegate inside our app. So just go inside of your app and add a property wrapper called UI application delegate adapter. And then in the brackets here, give the type, so appdelegate.self in this case, and then just call it delegate. All right, now it's registered and all of the delegate functions will be automatically called by your application. So for example, we can now implement all of the app delegate functions. So let's just enter application, and then you can see all of these functions. For example, did finish launching, and then there are also the new ones. Let me find the did finish launching here. This one right here. You can implement this function, and then for example in Firebase you could say firebase.configure or something similar for whatever SDK you need it for, and then this needs to return true in the end. So obviously this line won't work because I have not added Firebase to the project. Alright, but now all of these application functions will get called automatically by your app. That's already it. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.